Alright. Any oil still there? I hope that's just old residue, and hopefully we're in the clear. Hey, what's up guys, it's AB. We're back with another video today. I am missing some content in between posting this because I've got a big project coming up and something that you're going to want to know about. We're checking this because the valve covers, the valve cover gaskets were the culprit on both sides for a leak. In the previous episode, I took the vehicle to Boosted Warehouse. They double checked everything. We're leaking from here. Also DCT fluid, which we're still got to knock out the servicing for that. But this was a long journey in making that happen. So as you may can tell, these are fairly fresh because they're new. The cap is new. Valve cover is new. Everything on that on both sides are new. These are the old ones, and upon removal, man, this was a nightmare. These are magnesium alloy. So are these because they're genuine BMW, and there was no aluminum option on the market. I did end up finding one alternative, and that was just a no-go because what they wanted for the custom paint work, I'm assuming that's all it was, because it was taking another magnesium alloy. At least it did not tell me that it was aluminum. It was basically taking those and prepping and priming and painting that. But let me just say this: when you purchase the valve covers come with the grommets and the gaskets and the oil separator, which is right here. With what they were selling, you were only getting the valve cover. I understand that custom work brings a premium. However, there has to be reasonable prices. I won't go there right now, but I will save that for what I'm going to talk about behind this other option. So after I did install the valve covers, I did run across a company that launched an aluminum version of this, lifetime warranty and everything, and the price for it is just ridiculous, and then the bonuses that you're getting with it is just ridiculous. So for what it's going to cost for the regular price versus the launch price right now, I don't know when the cutoff is. If you are in need of replacing your valve covers because they're bubbling and they're warping or whatever is going on, I would highly suggest that if you're going to take these off and you want something that is going to be more durable, there's science behind what they've done. I like what they have shared in terms of the research and development that has gone into it. They are going to be the first guest on the podcast. Yes, I am starting the podcast. I talked about that in the previous episode where I went live. I was talking about how upset and flustered this had me. So yeah, that I don't want to look at that anymore. Yes, we are recording the podcast this week. I may go ahead and drop that this Friday or Saturday so that you can jump on the sale that is going on. Those guys are at work as we speak, trying to pump out the parts and set up shipping for around the world. They just launched it this past Monday. So go ahead and jump on that. With that said, stay tuned for the upcoming announcement in the community. Also follow me on Instagram if you're not already. That is Euro Auto Enthusiast all together on Instagram. I will share there. So really all the updates and anything that's happening that is going to be coming to YouTube, just check me out there. Please go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will get the notifications about more content just like this, as well as the podcast. And if you don't mind, share it out to your friends as well. Thank you to my servicemen and women that are serving, active duty members, fellow veterans. Big salute to you all. And as always, you guys know what to do. Keep driving. Salute.